Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds Marshall Motif II on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write Marshall. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. Hello. Check. Next. Yeah, okay. Now you can write it, but I'm going to skip it. And skip it also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.